Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from VSC Silk Sarees. In this video we are going to see very exclusive collections of pure handloom soft silk sarees. In that you have a partly model Ikkat print. So this is very exclusive collections. We have more designs. So please do watch this video fully for all the colors. Now let's get started. This is the first saree, a very beautiful royal blue with teal combination. As you can see, a rich pallu and gold jari, and all over the saree you have a buttas. On the bottom pleat and a contrast blouse, you have a Ikkat pattern, a very beautiful contrast Ikkat pattern on the bottom pleat. This is the reference picture. As you can see, the bottom pleat and the blouse you will get an Ikkat pattern, a very beautiful colors and a very beautiful design. And next, borderless design in brown and a green combination. All these are double warp quality. This is the back side of the saree. All over the saree you have the buttas. All the reference pictures are attached, so please do check this video for fully. And next is an navy blue with teal blue combination. This is the tissue border. We have two designs in this. One is with a tissue border and one is a borderless. So all these are double warp, comes with a SILKMARK certified. So please do WhatsApp us for the booking. Our WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. And next is a very beautiful bottle green with beige combination. All these are very limited stock. Pure handloom Kanchipuram soft silk sarees, comes with a SILKMARK certified. So please don't miss these collections, are very exclusive designs. So we are manufacturers of pure handloom soft silk sarees, and our shop is located in Sirumugai, Coimbatore district, Tamil Nadu. So you can visit us directly as well. We have more collections. Please do call us and get an appointment and you can visit us. Also check our YouTube channel for more collections. We are uploading fresh collections daily. And next is an violet with teal blue combination. All these are very beautiful color combinations. A very exclusive Ikkat pattern in the partlypallu model. So please don't miss these collections. Also we do have video call facility. You can contact us and check the color through video call, and you can book your saree if you have any doubt in the colors. And next is an pink with green combination. All these are unique Ikkat patterns in each of these sarees. Each saree has a unique Ikkat pattern. Thanks for watching. Thank you.